Hello everyone. So far we have understood the meaning of econometrics and what are the basic goals and objectives of econometrics. Today we shall learn about the methodology of econometrics. That is, what is the methodology that is being followed in case of any kind of econometric model. So the various stages of methodology of econometrics are divided under 5 important stages. So let us understand the various stages. Firstly, specification. The first stage in case of methodology of econometrics is specification of the model. That is, in order to study econometric, we have to specify the model. The specification of any econometric model is based on the theory of economics and on any kind of available information relating to the phenomenon being studied. That is, the first step is to specify the model on the basis of the data which are available on the topic that is being studied. Thus, the specification of the model requires knowledge of economic theory as well as familiarity with the particular topic that we are going to study. After specifying the model, the second stage is collection of data and estimation of the data. So, after specification, we are to collect the data, and the data can be of various types. For example, the data can be a time series data that is being collected for a particular point of time, or it can be cross-sectional data when we collect data on one or more variables at one point of time, or it can also be pooled data. The combination of time series and cross-sectional data is known as the pooled data. So, in order to collect data, we can use any one of the 3 types of data. After formulating the model, one should see whether the variables are correlated or not. So, the next step involved in estimation of a model after collection of the data is the examination of identification condition. Next comes the third stage, which is the evaluation of the coefficients of the model. The next stage in an econometrics research is to test the reliability of the results. That is, the results that we have derived from the data collected, does these data convey a good amount of result, that is, whether they are reliable or not. So we are to evaluate that. And the fourth stage after evaluation of the coefficient of the model is forecasting. So after collection of the data, we apply statistical tool and then we evaluate the coefficient, and finally we are in a stage to forecast. So last stage of any econometric research is the forecasting, and forecasting is a very important forecasting is a very important, or we can say one of the main objectives of econometric research. So thus these are the certain stages that are involved in any kind of methodology of econometrics.